Well, when I was on my way to America 8 years ago, I never thought I'd be standing here today. But I suppose there's a lot of things I never thought I'd do in the 8 years that followed. Didn't think I'd travel the world, buy a house, decorate it more times than I'd like to admit, barrow tarmac for an Irishman, go through 2 university degrees, among countless other adventures. However, the most important to me, especially today, I never thought I'd be this happy and this in love.
Today is a joyous occasion. It marks the next step in your journey together. Roisin and Ollie are 2 people very much in love, ready to celebrate the beginnings of what will be an extraordinary marriage. A wedding is more than just a celebration of their love. A couple who marry are not only joined by the love that they share, but also by their hopes, their dreams, the promises of what will be. The vows they make today will guide them into their future together.
Today I couldn't imagine being any happier. Today I'm marrying the love of my life, my best friend and my soulmate. Over the years we've been together, we've called many places home. The back of a van, Adelaide, a few houses in Liverpool, Norfolk and the Isle of Man. All have great memories for us to look back on. But what I realised recently is that it wasn't the bricks and mortar that made these places home. It was you. It was you being by my side, helping me, supporting me, making me laugh, making me cry, especially when you bring more clothes home. Making me happy and opening your heart to our love and future. We've been by each other's side for over 8 years, and each and every day that's passed, I've grown happier and happier, more and more in love. I know that after today, that happiness will continue to grow as we look to our next chapter and the exciting memories we will make. We will have ups and downs in our future, but I know as long as we have each other, we can endure anything that comes our way. I love you so much, and I'm so proud you're my wife.
My Ollie, you're my soulmate, my best friend, the best team maker, and you're my precious. You're the Dwight to my Michael, the Sam to my Frodo, and because I can't live without you, I've made some promises to you. Ollie, I promise to try and stop buying so many clothes. I promise to try and only redecorate the house once a year. I promise to try and not miss the start of your races, but you know I'll always be there at the finish line. I promise to always ask for some of your snacks. I promise to make you laugh when you're feeling down by my incredible dance moves. And I promise to sing on every road trip, every lyric, and every musical sound because I know you love it. I promise to always support you with everything you want to do in life, but please no more degrees for a little while at least. Ollie, I promise to love you, protect you, and to be your little Smeagol for the rest of our lives. I love you. Ollie, thank you for always having my back, for the hugs when I say I'm okay but you know I'm not, for my morning coffees even if I'm still asleep, which is most of the time, for the constant belly laughs, for painting the living room pink with me, for supporting my wacky design ideas and for making me feel like the only girl in the world. I never knew how much I needed you until I met you. You came into my life and completely swept me off my feet. As soon as we met, we clicked. I knew that was it. I absolutely love our little world together and I can't wait for our next chapter. As long as you're by my side, I know everything is going to be just fine.
Roisin, it has been incredible to see how you've grown and become such an amazing woman. From the days of 1 PM Lions and cereal for breakfast, lunch and dinner, you've achieved so much in your career, with your family, your friends. We've built a life together and now we can look to the future and build even more amazing memories. I'm so proud and so happy that you're my wife. And I'd like to quickly mention as well that Roisin has basically planned this entire thing herself, yesterday, tomorrow, and just quick round of applause for her, please, because she's done it all herself, huh? And lastly, of course, to everybody in this room today, whether friends or family, traveling the world, work or sport, you've all had such a positive impact on our lives, and I'm so glad you're all here with us today to celebrate. So please enjoy the venue, have a lovely night, and thank you all so much. Thank you.